How to get started with Kubernetes in healthcare. What's stopping your healthcare organization from delivering seamless, reliable, and secure patient services in the cloud? Is it downtime during critical operations? Or maybe it's the skyrocketing infrastructure costs straining your IT budget. These challenges don't just slow you down, they directly impact patient outcomes and your organization's ability to innovate. But there's a solution that can help you overcome these barriers and position your healthcare IT for the future. If you're not leveraging Kubernetes, you're leaving powerful solutions untapped. This is your call to adventure, a chance to revolutionize your healthcare IT environment with Kubernetes. Kubernetes is an open-source platform that automates the deployment, scaling, and management of containerized applications. It's the tool modern organizations are using to ensure resilience, scalability, and efficiency in their operations. Today, we're going to explore how Kubernetes addresses these challenges, the benefits it brings to healthcare, and how you can take the first step toward transforming your infrastructure. If you're ready to address these challenges head-on, we've created a free implementation guide to show you exactly how to use Kubernetes to transform your healthcare IT environment. Click the link in the description to take the first step toward a modern, scalable, and secure infrastructure today. This guide provides actionable steps and proven strategies to help you implement Kubernetes with confidence. Don't let inefficiencies hold you back. Start building a resilient and future-ready IT foundation now. Healthcare IT faces unique and high-stakes challenges. Downtime during critical operations can disrupt patient care and damage trust. Scaling systems to meet unpredictable demand, such as during patient surges, often feels impossible without significant overprovisioning. Sensitive patient data requires modern security and compliance standards that legacy systems frequently fail to meet. On top of that, managing escalating infrastructure costs while delivering high performance is a constant struggle for IT teams. These challenges not only strain IT resources but also hinder the ability to innovate and adapt to rapidly changing healthcare demands. Without the right tools, teams are left fighting fires instead of driving meaningful progress. Kubernetes solves these challenges by enabling your organization to deliver reliable, scalable, and secure applications with ease. It ensures applications remain highly available through self-healing capabilities, automatically restarting and rescheduling workloads in case of failures. With dynamic scaling, Kubernetes handles demand surges effortlessly, ensuring patient-facing applications are always responsive. Its robust security features, such as role-based access control and encrypted secrets management, meet stringent compliance standards like HIPAA. Kubernetes also optimizes resource allocation, reducing costs while maintaining exceptional performance for critical healthcare systems. Getting started with Kubernetes is straightforward and scalable. Start small by deploying a Kubernetes cluster using a managed service like Amazon EKS or Google GKE. Experiment with running a critical healthcare application, such as a patient management system, to observe Kubernetes capabilities in action. Use YAML files to define workloads and test Kubernetes dynamic scaling and fault tolerance. Incorporate monitoring tools like Prometheus and Grafana to gain detailed insights into your system's performance. From there, scale up incrementally, automating key workflows and aligning your IT infrastructure with modern cloud-native practices. Choosing to stick with legacy systems means accepting preventable downtime, which directly impacts patient care and satisfaction. It means struggling with manual, error-prone processes that exhaust your IT team and leave gaps in system resilience. Without Kubernetes, scaling remains inefficient and costly, leaving you ill-prepared for sudden surges in demand. The real risk is that your organization becomes stagnant, unable to innovate or compete effectively, putting your reputation and operational stability at risk. When you adopt Kubernetes, you gain the ability to deliver uninterrupted patient care by ensuring your systems are resilient and reliable. Kubernetes' self-healing capabilities allow applications to recover automatically from failures, reducing downtime and improving patient trust in your services. Its dynamic scaling features ensure your systems adapt seamlessly to fluctuating demands, whether it's a sudden surge in patient intake or seasonal spikes in activity. This flexibility eliminates the need for costly overprovisioning, optimizing resource usage while keeping infrastructure costs under control. With Kubernetes, your IT team is empowered to focus on innovation rather than firefighting operational issues, creating an environment where efficiency and progress thrive. In addition to operational efficiency, Kubernetes strengthens your security and compliance posture, ensuring sensitive patient data is managed safely and adheres to regulatory standards like HIPAA. By encrypting secrets and managing access controls, Kubernetes builds a secure foundation for your applications. This peace of mind enables your organization to invest in new technologies and workflows with confidence. Rapid innovation becomes the norm, allowing you to deliver cutting-edge solutions that elevate healthcare outcomes and patient satisfaction. Kubernetes positions your organization as a leader in healthcare IT, enabling you to stay ahead of competitors while fostering trust and loyalty from patients and stakeholders. Every day without Kubernetes is a day your healthcare systems are vulnerable to inefficiency, downtime, and escalating costs. Your IT team faces burnout, your infrastructure remains fragile, and your organization misses opportunities to innovate and lead in the industry. The stakes are high. It's not just your bottom line, but the quality of care you provide and the trust you build with patients that are at risk. Don't let outdated systems hold your organization back. Click the link in the description to download our free implementation guide and get started with Kubernetes today. Learn how to tackle these challenges, achieve scalability, and strengthen your infrastructure step by step. Your future-proofed healthcare IT environment is just one click away. Don't wait to transform the way your organization delivers care.